Hello and welcome to OBC 4366. My name is Aleshuk, and this is a short introductory class when I will walk you through syllabi and some of the basic requirements for this course. So I prepared a short presentation. Presentation is right now already posted on the canvas. And let me open the presentation and see what do I have ready for you for uh, tonight. Okay, hopefully right now you can see my presentation. Let me just improve the view. Okay, so as I said, my name is Alesh Yuk, and I will be one of two instructors responsible for OBC 4366 in Term D, course that has a name Leadership, Ethics, and Social Entrepreneurship. Besides me, there will be Professor Frank Hoy, and usually we both will be with you in the classroom. So, plan for today is, as I mentioned before, to walk you through the syllabi, and this is the class that was originally planned to be in the classroom on March 14th, but it happened so that we have for you this online version. It's already mentioned, and it was mentioned on the announcement, but I will mention this again. So there will be no class on March 14th, although you're still required and asked to go through this video, but there will be class definitely on March 17 as it's scheduled originally. So as I said, our plan for now is go briefly through introduction, give you information about the instructors, and walk you through some basics of the syllabi. So I'm hoping that this video will help you to kick off and start with the class, and hopefully enjoy the rest of the term with me and Professor Hoy. So this is the upper level course, and saying this, it means that we will try to entertain you as much as possible. You will see when I will go through the deliverables and requirements for the course, and within the course and during the course we will try to cover basics of leadership theory, self-inquiry, ethics, and social entrepreneurship, when the emphasis will be mainly on corporate social responsibility. um, However, I think that you know that there's also a chance to take a social entrepreneurship course here at WPI. Hence, the emphasis in this course will be mainly on corporate social responsibilities, not so much on social entrepreneurship. One of the basics and the goals in this course is to provide you an opportunity to seek what's right, what's wrong in terms of ethics and moral norms. You will see you will be quite involved. You will have several group activities, and I'm hoping that you will have the chance to somehow find a deeper view of this important topics. So instructors, as I mentioned before, there will be two instructors, Professor Frank Hoy and myself. Our offices are located both in Gateway. Um, you have our emails. You are free to contact either Professor Hoy or myself. And in terms of office hours, we are open to your suggestions. We can also meet in Washburn if this will be easier for you. Although our classroom will be in Salisbury Labs, it's 105. Class will meet every Tuesday and Friday from noon to 1:50 p.m. The course text, there will be, we will use four required course text. We hopefully make your life easier. So all four course texts are available online through WPI library. I think that two of those books you will be able to download in the PDF form and keep them on your internal disk drive. Although for two other books you will have to use a software that will be provided when you will download the book by itself. Those books are pretty common books for this type of courses, and you will see that at least two of them covers topics. They are pretty basic books, although two of them are um, a bit more comprehensive, and hopefully you will have a chance to upgrade your knowledge and add um, content when you will go through these four books. We will be mainly using all four books through all the course, although there will be still emphasis on the basic books. Grading, there are four important areas in terms of grading. As you can see, the important part is class participation. It means that you will have to be pretty active during the course. Class participation means discussion, involvement, active role, questions, communication with guest speakers. There is a plan to have at least two guest speakers during the course. So basically, it means that you will be proactive, and this is one of the important takeouts of this course. You will have final exam that will be take-home exam. It will be assigned a week before the end of the class, and you will have a week to complete your final exam. Final exam will be a combination of essay type questions and the theoretical questions, and will definitely cover the topics that will be discussed in the class. An important part of this course are group assignments. You will be asked to form groups. Hopefully on March 17th, when you will all meet for the first time in the classroom, you will have a chance to um, talk to your colleagues and find your partner. Groups will have either two or maximum three students, but we will emphasize to form a group of two students. Each group will have two assignments, and I will right now talk about this two assignments. So group assignments. When the group assignments will be due, this particular group will give us 30 to 35 minutes in class on a presentation. The group is responsible to organize meeting with instructors to somehow find a way how to represent a particular topic, and the topic will based on the reading list. It will be a chapter or two chapters summary. Sometimes we will post additional readings on the canvas. So please stay tuned and follow all the Canvas updates. Um, Also, besides the presentation, we will ask you to write a short summary, 3 to 5 page long summary, and the summary will be posted online. Another important part that has to be included in your presentation is or are three articles, and there is an article database already posted on Canvas. So the emphasis here is to use a practice-based articles, not a scholarly research articles. And this is the reason why we post a PDF document when you can find different articles like Forbes, Entrepreneur, Inc., and all those articles are available for free online. So the reason why we will ask you to do this is read, and read to stay informed and to somehow follow the current and the important trends. It's very important as a leader, manager, to be informed, to know what's going on around, and um, having this added into the assignment is exactly what we are trying to do, to somehow direct you and help you with your future development, and ask you to read those particular articles. We will also ask you, because it's a leadership course, so to somehow find a way how to include your colleagues, your peers, during your presentations. Either you're going to develop debate, workshops, discussion questions, or even a game. It's up to you. So you will have, as I mentioned before, up to 35 minutes to cover the topic, and we will give you a chance to be creative. Although we also will be very supportive, as I mentioned before. You will be asked to contact your instructors when you will prepare yourself for the presentation. So, and as I mentioned before, each group will have two presentations during the term, and the detailed schedule is already posted in the Canvas. I have to mention that there are two versions of syllabi. The last and the updated syllabi is right now already posted in the Canvas under the syllabi module. The Canvas that was attached as the attachment in our first announcement is not the last version. And what's different between one and the other version are the dates when the group will have their presentations. So the first presentation will be, I believe, second week of our class, and it's not Tuesday but Friday. So the first group will present their findings, their chapter presentation on Friday, on the week 2 of our course, not on Tuesday. So it means that you will have enough time to form the group, to meet with your instructors, and to prepare yourself for the group presentation. So an important thing, and I would like to mention, these are deadlines. All assignments will have deadlines, and the assignments are 3 to 5 pages that will summary your work as a group. So we would like you to be organized, to follow the course requirements, and it means that we will be very strict here, and you have the orientation, and really try to focus on this to submit everything online, and don't ask for any kind of penalties, because it's just the best possible way to post everything on time. So, for example, as I mentioned before, So the first group that will have 2 to max 3 students will have presentation on March 23rd. It's our class 4, and this presentation will be a presentation of chapter 1 from our readings. And the chapter 1 has a title, An Introduction to Moral Leadership. So this is a very interesting topic, and I believe that the group will have plenty of chances to practice different leadership skills and implement many different tools to somehow make this presentation very interactive and I believe useful for students. So this was my short introduction for OBC 4366. I'm looking forward to meet with all of you, and hopefully we will have a great semester, and we all will learn a lot during the term. Enjoy and stay tuned. Thanks and bye bye.